Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, December 5th, 2025. Let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. So what do we have here? Overnight session was quite quiet. Only the household spending data from Japan were published and they are down from 1.8% to minus 3%. Halifax House Price Index is scheduled for release at 8 o'clock. This data are from the UK. German factory orders are scheduled for release at UK as well. At 11 o'clock we got the Eurozone GBP scheduled for release, and the mortgage rate in the UK. We switch to the US session. Employment change. Unemployment rate in Canada is scheduled for release at 2:30. Michigan 1-year inflation and 5-year inflation expectations, consumer expectations and consumer sentiment data are scheduled for release at 4 o'clock, together with the core PCE Price Index. Personal spending is also included at 4 o'clock. Then we have some speech from German Buba Mauderer, and US Barker Hughes Oil Rig Count and Totay Rig Count are scheduled for release at 7 o'clock as usual. So quite easy day with the data release. So without any further ado, let's switch to the chart. We start with euro dollar. Euro dollar for our time frame chart is showing us the movement to the downside after the swing high at 1.1683 was hit, and then we got this movement. And here you can see that local technical support is located at 1.1642. Please notice that we hit extremely overbought conditions, then we went down almost immediately towards the level of 55, and at the level of 50 there is the neutral line. So right now, after the breakout here, momentum is still positive and it's still strong, occasionally touching the neutral line during the pullbacks. Nevertheless, this whole movement is looking quite weak these days, and we might see some sort of the pullback soon. Very similar situation is on the cable. Doji candlestick on a 4-hour time frame chart with a high at 1.3384 into the extremely overbought market conditions, means that we have we might have a local top for the 4-hour time frame chart, and now the market is ready to do some sort of the pullback lower. The first technical support level is located at 1.3274. So we are waiting for the ABC correction, ABC pullback lower on the cable. Very strong signal here, very strong doji candlestick formation on cable. British pound was done. Now US dollar versus the Japanese yen extends the movement to the downside. We are testing the level of 145.49, the one that we expected to be tested sooner or later after the rejection of the trend line breakout. So let me extend this trend line. It looks like the US dollar versus the Japanese yen is still under the bearish control, and the supply pressure is quite strong. We are back towards the level of 31 on the RSI, very close to extremely oversold conditions. So any breakout below this level, this technical support, opens the road towards 153.63 level. So still the pressure is on. The situation is very in favor of a bears. What is gold doing then? The gold is consolidating the recent gains, and after the pullback and another attempt to rally higher, the gold has been seen around the level of 4,220. We are still trading above the trend line, above 100 periods moving average. Nevertheless, there is no momentum. There's almost no momentum on the gold. We are just basically hovering around the level of 50, occasionally breaking to the upside. Current momentum is 55 points only. So the situation here is, as you can see, quite difficult. for the bulls. They want to push the price higher, but however, there is no momentum. There is not too many other bulls waiting for this upside push to basically to happen. So the gold is consolidating the recent gains, as you can see. S&P 500 after the yesterday session bounced from the trend line yet again, and now is testing the it's about to test the previous swing high at the level of 6,876. So that situation is quite interesting for the bulls. Momentum jumps to the upside a little bit, and now the market is ready to test it, and then possible even the breakout to the upside is possible here. So after the breakout and test of this trend line, the bulls are back basically to this market. We are waiting for the higher prices. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. As you can see, we got this Bitcoin Elliott wave pattern here on the chart. What is going on here is possibly some sort of the corrective cycle. Nice pin bar at the top of the move, nice P bar at the bottom of the move. We are missing the wave 5. We are missing the wave 5 to the upside. Currently the price is around the level of 92,000. As the momentum, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame chart, is dropping lower, as the market price is moving lower as well. So there is no divergence here. Nevertheless, it's still quite good situation to mention that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive pattern has not been completed just yet. We need another movement to the upside in wave 5, possibly towards the level of 98,000-99,000 to test the major supply zone. Any breakout above the supply zone is obviously bullish. However, we should expect the Bitcoin to hit this zone as a primary short-term target for the 4-hour time frame chart, and then start some sort of the correction, some sort of the pullback lower, possibly even towards the 92,000 level. Nevertheless, we're still waiting for the wave 4 correction to complete, and then wave 5 to the upside should be in progress. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.